Good morning, my dear children. So today we are going to continue lesson number 6, India's natural resources, soil and forest wealth. Soil and forest wealth. So previous class we learned about what is soil. So types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and sandy soil. So we learned about these soils, where they are found and what are the types of cultivations done in those places. And then we said conservation of soil. We learned about conservation of soil, planting vegetative cover, recycling, using biodegradable things. We learned these things and we started the next one, forest wealth. We started the next one, forest wealth. So here the first time what we learned is evergreen forest. We learned about evergreen forest, where there will be raining or always this place will be raining. And here these trees in forest stay green throughout the years and as do not shed their leaves. They will not shed their leaves throughout the year. This is the reason why they are called evergreen forest. They are also called tropical rainforest. So for examples, here rosewood, mahogany, ebony and rubber. These are the examples, and these kind of forests are found in the places where Western Ghats, hills of North-East India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Is it clear, children? So now we are going to learn the next one. Here it is deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are also called as monsoon forests. So here it is also called as monsoon forest. They are found in regions where summer is short and cool and winters are long and hot with heavy snowfall. Their leaves are small. Here they are also called, what they are also called? They are also called monsoon forest. So here they are found in areas where there is moderate rainfall. So they are found in the moderate rainfall. So these have moderate rainfall and they shed their leaves once in a year during the dry season. So they will shed their leaves only once in a year in the dry season. For examples, teak, sal, sandalwood, seashell, sandal, mahua and bamboo. These are the examples of deciduous forest. So these forests are found in which places in our India? So these are found in Himalayas, Deccan Plateaus, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Is it clear, children? They are found along the foothills of the Himalayas, the wetter parts of Deccan Plateaus and the states such as Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Is it clear? The next one, coniferous forests. The next one is coniferous forests. Here, coniferous forests are also called Himalayan vegetation. It is also called Himalayan vegetation. Is it clear, children? They are found in regions where, so when we say this is in the Himalayan region, automatically we can say that it is a snowy region. It is very cold and snowy region. So here they are found in regions where summer is short and cool and winters are long and harsh with heavy snowfall. Their leaves are small and needle-like to prevent water loss. They point downwards to allow snow to slide off them. They bear cones instead of flowers and fruits. So here they are like small and needle-like leaves which prevents their water loss. And here they will not bear fruits and flowers, they will just bear cones. For example, what are the examples? Some examples of coniferous trees are pine, cedar, oak, fir and spruce. Is it clear, children? And then these forests are found on the higher slopes of Himalayas and Nilgiri hills. So these are found in the Himalayas and Nilgiri they can survive for a long period without water. So they will be having very long root, thick bark and small thorny leaves for preventing evaporation, and they will survive for a long period without water. Is it clear? Next one, the common trees found here are date palm, hickory, bamboo and varieties of cactus are examples of thorn forest. And the next one, what is where they are found. The thorn forests are found in the desert region of Rajasthan and dry areas in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So where they are found? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So clear children, shall we move on to the next one? Children, the next one what we are going to see is tidal forests. The next one is tidal forest. Here, tidal forests are also called mangrove forest. It is also called as mangrove forests. Here, they are mostly found in the deltas of river. They are mostly found in the deltas of rivers. They are found in the deltas of rivers which are flooded by sea water. These forests are dense and impenetrable. So they are all very dense. Is it clear, children? The Sundarbans along the delta of river Ganga is the largest tidal forest in the world. So the Sundarbans, the largest tidal forest in the world, which is near Ganga, which is near river Ganga, is the largest tidal forest in the world. It gets its name from the Sundri tree that is found in this forest. So there, which is very popular, this Sundari tree is very popular, and from these things they get their Sundarbans name. And here the next one, tidal forests are also found in the delta region of the Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna river. So they are found in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari and Krishna rivers. Is it clear, children? So children, from these forest we learned about types of forest. First one is evergreen forest. The next one, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, thorn forest and tidal forest. So there are 5 types of forest which is being located in our India. Is it clear? So we move to the next one. What is the next one? The next one is uses of forest. The next one is uses of forest. Forests cover about 1/3 of all land on earth. So here, 1/3 of all land of earth is covered by the forest area. Forests are nature's gift to us. So this forest is the nature's gift to us. Let us look and how forests are useful to us. So now we will look how these forests are very much useful in our life. Forests give us oxygen to breathe. So they give us oxygen to breathe. These forests give us oxygen to breathe. The next one, they provide shelter to a large variety of animals, birds and reptiles, and also tribal people who depend on forest for their survival. So this is the shelter for animals, birds and reptiles, not only for those, and also for tribal people. Is it clear, children? The next one, here they reduce global warming. So they reduce global warming. Trees bring rain. So these trees bring rain, prevent flooding. So they prevent flooding, prevent soil erosion. They will prevent soil erosion. They provide us food and medicines. There are so many kinds of plants and trees which provides us food and as well as medicines. There are so many trees and there are so many leaves which will give us medicines, which will protect our body, which will give us energy. Is it clear, children? The last one is which will provide us wood. So we use it for so many purposes. We make papers, we make furniture, we use it for firing, for cooking. So everything Yes, of course. In those forests, what is there? There are many types of animals and birds which is their shelter, which is their survival place. So now we are going to see how they are conserved. Conservation of wildlife. National parks and wildlife reserves protect many animals that are becoming endangered by providing a safe and protective natural habitat for them to live in. So here national parks and wildlife reserves are also there for protecting many animals which is in the endangered species, which is going to be extinct. So clear? The next one is zoos. Zoos have also breed some endangered animals in captivity to help maintain these species and increase their population. So these zoos are also protecting so many animals which are in endangered situation. When they grown up to a certain age or certain maturity, then they are lived in the wild. Then they will live in the forest for its own lifestyle. Is it clear? The next one, scientists nowadays tag small transmitters onto animals and keep a track on their numbers. So nowadays scientists track small tracks on the tags on small transmitters. So tags of small transmitters that these animals are what species it is, how is its lifestyle, and how many kinds of species are there. The next one, the government has passed several laws to prevent poaching, which is illegal killing or harming of endangered species. So government has also passed several laws to prevent poaching. Poaching means killing other animals for their profit and pleasure, their own profit and pleasure. So they will kill the animals for their own profit, like skin, horn, and these kind of things. So these are the conservations of wildlife. Is it clear, children? So children, we came to the end of this lesson. The next one is 3 R's. 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Here, the 3 R's help us to conserve natural resources, reduce waste and protect our environment. So these 3 uses: conserve natural resources, reduce waste and protect our environment. The first one is reduce. Do not unnecessarily use or waste anything, especially electricity, paper, water and food. Buy only what you need, not all what you want. Buy what only you need. You like so many things, but your necessary things will be very less. So you have to buy what is necessary for you. Your unnecessary things, what you like that you should not buy and waste those food or paper, electricity, water. Is it clear, children? The next one is reuse. Try to reuse unwanted items in different ways. Try to reuse your unwanted items in different ways. Like your water bottle, when it is finished, when it is empty, you can use it as a flower vase. You can decorate it and you can use it as a flower vase. Is it clear, children? Like that you have to reuse the things which is unwanted to you in different ways. The next one is recycle. Try to use recycled paper bags, cartons and other materials. Don't ask for fresh plastic bags or something. Try to use recycled paper bags, cartons and other recyclable materials. Is it clear, children? Cut down on usage of plastic bags and bottles. So how much you use these plastic bags and bottles, you are going to dirty our environment. You are going to keep your society unhealthy. So don't use these kind of plastic bags and bottles. Just use the recycled paper bags, cartons and other materials which is being recycled by biodegradable things. Is it clear, children? So this lesson is over here. Shall we recap what we learned throughout this lesson? We learned about soil. Types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil and mountain soil. The last one is sandy soil. Then we learned about types of forest: evergreen, deciduous, coniferous, thorn and tidal. Then we learned about the uses of forest. It gives us oxygen to breathe, provides shelter, food and medicine, brings rain, reduces global warming, prevents flooding and soil erosion. Then we learned about conservation of forests. Afforestation, social forestry programs, Vanamahotsavas, schools encourage students to plant trees, and the last one is conservation of wildlife. National parks and wildlife reserves, zoos, keeping track on the number of animals, laws to prevent poaching. So these are all what we learned. And the last one, very important one, 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. We learned about reduce, reuse and recycle. Is it clear, children? Are you happy with this lesson? So today's homework, write down the keywords, short answers and details in your classwork notebook. And children, here there is a map given for you. So from this lesson, you might be having your map work. So here map